take it. We gotta make contact to make it. If you start floating away, hey, I promise you will be fine. Got the universe on your side when you're out in space. Don't you be afraid, no. If you start floating away, hey, I promise you will be fine. Got the universe on your side when you're out in space. Don't you be afraid, no. If you start floating away. Don't you be afraid, no. If you start floating away.
Hey friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. A friend took me past that park several weeks ago, and the first thought I had in my head was, I need to shoot a video there. So, big thanks to that friend, Jordan Harvey, and big thanks to Ultrapoi for sponsoring this video and giving me an excuse to get out and explore my flow in town. If you'd like to grab a set of these Orb Poi, LED contact poi that I was using in this video, you can do so by heading on over to ultrapoi.com and using the promo code DrexFactor with a 0 instead of an O at checkout. That gets you a discount on your order and it helps out the channel so everybody wins. Thanks once again to Ultrapoi for making this video possible. And speaking of thank yous, I have to thank the friends of the channel. Big thanks to Dark Monk, Fire Mecha, Flow Fests, Flow Toys, Juggling Calling, Pyroterra Light Toys, Spinballs, and Ultrapoi for helping to make the videos on this channel possible. You can learn more about all these amazing companies and the work that they're doing to support flow artists like yourself by checking out the links that I have down in the description of this video. And special thanks to the non-business friends of the channel, that is Lain Mochinsky and Pekha Pekkonen. Thank you both so very much for supporting my channel, my work, and my mission. Also, this video would not be possible were it not for the kind support of all of these lovely people right here. These are my Flow patrons over on Patreon. They and the people listed down in the description help to make this video and all the videos on this channel possible. Thank you one and all for your very, very generous support. If you out there watching are not currently a supporter and you'd like to become one, you can do that by heading on over to patreon.com/DrexFactorPoi and signing up. There you can get access to a whole host of awesome rewards, and even better, you'll be helping me out in my mission to bring poi spinning and flow arts to the whole wide world. Go check that out, please and thank you. Now, if you'd like to check out some of my other flow videos, I will include a link to a playlist of them down in the description, as well as up here on screen if you are watching on YouTube. Also, the YouTube algorithm thinks that you might like this top video based upon your past viewing habits, so maybe give that a look as well. Thanks so much for watching. Have yourselves a good one. Make sure to get outside to flow today, and I'll be back with a new video for you on Friday. Peace.